Good night. My name is Aura Maria Solis Mondragon. This is my identification, my life project. I consider myself dreaming. I currently work in the health field. Is called like director of my health entity. I will arch the independence, economic freedoms. I have always and drive and finish my students, obtain specialization in health service manager, which is one of my big dreams. I will have laid for foundation for success advance my career. By the time read um straight and will have about my house with and will make a lot of memory with my family, have food with my grandchildren one day. This is house will be our child play and with all about Amber car, one that is bigger, more comfort and electric in order to contribute. I like to care for the environment. I can of inside my children have access on the best education institution with priority contribution to her with tutors. If I could travel to different countries, immerse myself in the Oriental culture, getting to beer, 5 years, I will have explored learning and love about it, helping my group, personality, and professionality. Thank you.